The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Vidal Sassoon, I love that. 10 to 15 minutes each and every day is all we ask. Everything's up a little bit for the day, except gold. It's pulling back a little bit. Let's talk about where we are. You can see on the S&P that we've not had any volume for the last, 2 days. Just haven't had any. Market's been ticking up some, but again, not a lot of volume. The weekly, it looks okay, on a Tuesday. But again, we can see the first day of the latest 2-day candle, not much, sitting right above that support line that the prior 2-day candle had pushed through. You can see on the half day where it ended, sitting right on it. And of course, for the week, as we look at what's going on the weekly candle, we've got a red down candle, not hitting the low of last week yet. But again, the overall mood is some bearishness there, up 0.26%. We look at the NASDAQ, and of course, we got a doji right there with sitting right in the middle of the trend line on the weekly chart. 2 days just a bit above, and we can see again where for the last 2 days we had some up moves. And of course, it has not been as bearish as the S&P. We have had no penetration of that second line of support. And of course, it's sitting right there in between it. But again, volume, we did have average volume in the morning, much lower volume in the afternoon. Got a ways to go to get to average volume on the 2-day, just the first day of the latest 2-day candle. Okay, on the weekly, we'll see how that continues to go, just 2 days into a 5-day week. So we'll keep an eye on things. Again, the overall mood, though, you can see all the red candles, some spinning tops, 1 down, 2 down candles. So again, just sort of hanging there as this Iraq, I don't want to call it a quagmire yet, but as this Iraq thing hangs on, and we wonder where it's going to go. Now let's look at bonds, U.S. government bonds. They have been going down on the 2-day chart, since Tuesday, the 3rd of March. And of course, just red down candles. We can see this latest one, a little bitty spinning top right there with no volume to speak of on Tuesday. And you can see where the volume's just been steadily decreasing for the course of this week. Haven't hit the low of last week yet, but of course, we are in a downtrend, and we shall continue to watch. We are bearish on bonds, and we'll continue to see how they move. Of course, up a little bit for the day, 0.28%, but that doesn't change the overall mood. What about gold? Well, gold had a red spinning top last week, almost a doji, down this week. We have a downtrend line. It's fairly horizontal, but you can see where, again, on the 2-day chart, we've been moving down. On the half-day chart, we've been moving down for the day 0.25%. We still think there is a great deal of bullishness left in precious metals. But of course, we're sort of in this strange time period where the stock market is going up some. Bonds are up a little as this week has started. But I have a feeling that bearishness may be coming back with a bite in the not too distant future. What do we see with Bitcoin? Again, going into the second week now, we got fooled back in early January when Bitcoin had settled out, popped up 2 weeks in, rolled over, but we're looking stronger, aren't we? Again, this could all burn off and turn into a wick on top if things roll over as the week continues. We didn't have average volume last week. Don't know that we're going to get it this week. You can see how weak the volume has been for many days, many candles on the 2-day chart. So we will keep an eye, but we do see green candles on the 2-day, green candles on the half-day, above the weekly trend line on the half-day and the 2-day and the weekly. And again, up for the day, 0.81%. So again, we'll watch, we'll wait, we'll see. If this market does, though, tumble over, we can, of course, expect Bitcoin to do what? Move down with the market. Now, maybe gold will be an outlier. If the market really crushes, there may be a flight to gold. We shall watch and see how that plays itself out. That is where we are, my friends, on Tuesday. Sorry for the cough. Still getting over a chest cold from my trip out of the country. I'm hoping I'm getting better every day. I keep telling myself that. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth.